Alright, I've been playing around with the repairing all that termite damage. I'm just replacing pretty much and rebuilding what I think it should look like. But I took out a door and put a beam up, and then so this used to be, there was a door here and a closet door here, and I cut out this post here and then we're gonna cut down these here. I have some masonry bits for my grinder. We're gonna find out if that actually works. It's gonna be pretty thick. That's some pretty thick stuff, but I got a jackhammer and masonry bits for my grinder, so we should be able to knock it out. Put the washer there, that's 30 inches across there, so I should be able to put the washer there, pour a concrete pad down there, get rid of this little wall, and then put in a false ceiling and make that flat across there. Put in some insulation, sheetrock, and better than new. Actually, a lot better than new, because whoever did it is a little skimpy on their engineering skills.
Alright, Frank has been working down here, and he's been cutting down the foundation wall. He's made a mess. He's made a mess, but he does have a fan blowing out some of the dust. Woohoo! Good job! What you doing?
Woo! Want to watch?
Sure.
Ready? Yeah, brother?
Almost there. You can do it.
Oh, there we go.
Kick it again.
Uh-oh, you got it loose? Right there. Uh-huh.
Ta-da! Watch your feet, please.
I don't want to put it in there. You don't? Okay.
Look at that.
Just in case, we'll put it up here for now.
Ta-da!
Ready?
What are you doing?
Jackhammering.
Jackhammering.
I don't know what I'm doing.
What?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Great. Looks awesome.
Yeah. I mean, it'll break eventually, I guess.
You think?
So,
Yeah, we'll see.
we'll see.
All right, bye.
Bye.
What you doing?
Almost done.
Good grief. It's dusty. Phew.
You're almost there, Matthew? Almost.
What are you doing?
Oh, hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
Cutting pipes.
Cutting pipes.
Hi.
Oh, look at that.
Almost done. I've got to... level it out a little bit, but then I'll be done.
You're doing a great job. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You're having fun.
Yes.
Okay.
You want? You know the winner. You got something to do.
Matthew did such a great job using the jackhammer and getting that cement wall down for us. We really appreciated it so that Frank and I could be working on other things. I'm filling up the bucket for him to get all the debris out.
It looks full.
What looks full?
The bucket.
It is.
Oh, okay.
Hey everybody! Thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time!